Let's say there is a new restaurant in town and you are craving something to eat. When you go inside and check out the menu, you find a dish that you really want. But what is the dish called? You can't pronounce it. Well, you are in luck. You have just stumbled upon something that will improve your English drastically. Key to English. At Key to English, we teach English in an easy-to-understand curriculum. We also upload frequently, so you could learn something new daily. And to top it off, we offer word-by-word translations so you could understand every word. Let's go back to the menu. After Key to English, you are able to read and understand what you would like to order. Now, you can finally enjoy that burger you were craving. Subscribe to Key to English today and start your English journey today.